Welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Earlier in the program, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Karah Perdue about raising pullets. And now Karah is back with a recipe to share. Glad to have you here today. I feel like that smoke's getting to me.
Oh, yeah.
You do? Yeah, wow, catching in the throat there today. So we're talking about an easy egg bake. This recipe is already on our Facebook pages if you want to try it. And it's simple, not many ingredients.
It's very simple. So when we get those chickens in day one, we usually get them in about 5, 6 a.m. So it's early. This is the egg bake that I make that keeps getting requested to make again. So one of our family favorites. The biggest thing is make sure you spray your pan, because I have messed up and I have forgot to spray my pan and these eggs will stick. Super easy. We start out with 26 ounces of frozen hash browns, kind of break them up, dump them in your bowl, and then we're going to dump in I get the pre-sliced, pre-diced up ham.
Perfect.
Mix it in. All right, I've got 8 ounces or a little more of I do sharp cheddar cheese. You can do whatever cheese you like.
Okay.
Oopsies.
That's
and
okay.
Then
make a mess here.
I'll make a mess. I'm really good at making a mess when I cook. You can stir it with a spoon, but I have this great little thing here that I just take it and I shake it like a salad. So while I'm doing this, you can whisk up the eggs.
Okay.
It gets a little loud. So we're going to whisk up the eggs, and then we're going to put 1 cup of milk with a dozen eggs.
I've never seen that done. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's a great little doohickey.
I mean, I've seen like putting it in like Ziploc bags or something, but this is
well, I found this with the lid, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is going to be great.
Yeah.
So then I just kind of add this through there, and you can do this with 1 pan or 1 bowl. You can mix all this up. Then you could do your dozen eggs and your 1 cup of milk in here, so you could like only have one bowl. That gets dirty. But for the magic of TV, we're gonna have 2. So this is just a 9 by 13 inch pan. Our oven is heated to 350 degrees. And we put this in for about an hour, at the most, an hour and a half, just until the middle here gets soft. So we're just gonna push this down. All we're gonna do is dump the eggs and our milk and our salt and pepper or whatever other spices you want right on top. Perfect. There you go.
Okay.
And then we just kind of smooth it out. You can make this the night before. You can make it the day of. It's really easy.
How long do you bake it for?
1 hour, 350.
Here it is.
Here it is.
Okay.
This is it. This one took a little bit longer because it's a little deeper dish.
Oh yeah.
But you can use whatever proteins you like. Ours is just ham is our favorite.
Very good. Very easy. This would be great to have ready in the morning.
Yes. Super easy.
I'm always looking for that because I'm rushing out the door. So perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Again, this is on our Facebook pages. And coming up.